What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you next potential gem coin. In my opinion, this is very undervalued project. It's at the very early stage. It's an AI project that's building a lot, and at super early stage there are not that many holders, and from my understanding they didn't have like a VC pre-sales or seed rounds or private sales. But before I show you the project, just want to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And this project at a super early stage, could be like next Shiba or Pepe coin, and that's the one we're trying to get in before it's gonna blow up and it's gonna get a lot of hype. So the project, it's called Journey AI, developing modern tools for Web3 realm. So they have a website, they have a little mini game I show you in a second, and they also have a Telegram channel. And at the time of recording this video, they have 2,449 followers on their Twitter. So it's a very, very early project without hype. And that's the kind of project you wanted to get in early before everybody else is gonna find out. And if we're gonna open up their website, so the website is currently under construction, so they're launching new website. Says in December 2023. We're already in December, end of December, but the website is not launched. I'm not sure exactly if it's going to be delayed or not. From what you can see from existing website, they have DeFi mechanisms, staking safe, Fusion Lab. Then they also have Telegram bots, sniper bots, and AI language model. And then they have a Discord, Telegram channel, Twitter I just show you, and they also have already NFT collection. If we're gonna open it up, they release like 200 NFTs, and you can pick one up on OpenSea if you would like to, and then you can stake or something like that. But this is what they currently have, and they also have tokens as well, and this is what we're going to be focusing on. And I told you earlier, I'm going to show you the game that they have. So this is like the little AI game you can play, and you can drop the ball and it's gonna go all the way down, and depends which cube it's gonna hit, and that's gonna give you value. And this is just game for nothing. And let's look at their tokenomics. So if we're going to CoinGecko, they recently got posted on CoinGecko. So the price, as you can see, the price is 0.00 of whatever 4311. And if we scroll down, as you can see, their total supply 420 trillions. So it's like a Shiba supply or SafeMoon or something like that. Huge supply. And total trading volume is only 6,000. And then if we scroll down here, as you can see, this project was at the all-time low 4 days ago, and all-time high was also 4 days ago. Currently it's only 96% from all-time low. So this project is still at super very early stage. And if we go to markets, as you can see, you can purchase this project or this token on Uniswap, and you can either go to here from CoinGecko or go back to their website, and from website you can buy Journey over here, and also you can get more information by looking at the DEX tool. And then another thing I want to show you, this is very important. If we're gonna take a look at Etherscan, so at the time of recording they only have 148 holders from all of the tokens. And if we look at the top holder address, this one right here that holds almost 20%, and this is that address. And I've heard one of their MAMs, they were talking about that they burn a lot of tokens. So they burn almost 82 trillions of tokens. So this is kind of similar like a Shiba did, but Shiba, it was not them, it was Vitalik actually burned it, but also they have a dead wallet that they burn quite a bit of tokens. So that means supply is even lower than this. And since not that many people are talking about and know this project, there's only 148 holders. So project at very early stage, coins cost fractions of pennies, and project at almost all-time low, building actually AI product for developers, for Web3, and much more that everyone's going to be able to use. And this is pretty much it. This is just my personal opinion. I think this project is very undervalued at super early stage, has a huge potential, probably can do easy 100,000x, maybe even 10,000x, no problem, once it's gonna get to the bull run and it's gonna get more hype, and a lot of people is gonna start using their product, their AI tools. And this is it. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.